Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 13i and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser, not the settings. In my case, it will be this default one, and then tap on this 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on the settings here, scroll to the advanced and tap on clear browsing data. And as you can see here, we can mark the options which we want to remove. So input history, browsing history, or even passwords and cookies. So just mark the option you'd like to remove and tap on clear data. Your device will ask you if you really want to clear it, so just tap on clear. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully removed the marked data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.